January 18th, 2025. January 18th, 2025. 3:28 a.m. I'm showing how someone is moving my limbs from a distance, mimicking how I would be when an NFL player moves me in the Super Bowl, and that's what I'm trying to do. And this is how it's going to be in the Super Bowl. This is a Super Bowl film from last year, and this is a portrait highlights I plan on doing of the Super Bowl champion, which should be me, due to raising awareness of how billions of people can be billionaires, trillionaires through the family tree, worth all the money around the world consecutive times. So the best talent should use me to demonstrate Powerball fundraising while raising money for justice due to how my limbs have been moved from a distance for 11 years without permission. And this is me showcasing that I'm athletic. So it translates, my basketball skills translate to how NFL quarterback can be me during the Super Bowl. January 17th, 2025. Francis Barkley is trying to get ready for the NFL Super Bowl while waiting a year if I can be in the inauguration at Donald Trump. Super Bowl is something that I hope reinforce account holders and $22 billion trillions. I still haven't had signing this Trump agreement. Tells to me it's on electronic grass, legally through my core voice. This is the demo of me being in the Super Bowl with my legs being moved from distance. And now he's looking to go again. He's going to get out of this working on seconds from conference. This is so difficult to attack. You got switches, you got four. Now he's looking to go again. He's going to get out of this working on seconds from conference. This is so difficult to attack. You got switches, you got four guys. Somebody else move my body from distance. Look at me. So whoever it is, can sign. It's probably $20 billion trillion. Through the country, with all the money around the world consecutive times. Doing children's mind justice, instruments, NFL Super Bowl, inauguration, NBA finals, high profile events. And UGK, Usama, the rookie first rounder, has to step up. Russell Lamina, who they out with an ACL. Evan Gibbs takes a step outside, and that's how Kansas City gets behind the chains on first and seventh down, behind the strong, and now they get to load up and say, oh, use crazy blitzes. Well, 0-0. I wonder who had that. Good luck out there. Scoreless after one. You're watching Super Bowl 58. And that first quarter, 8 out of 10, 5 yards. And he's doing his things well right now. He's showing the nerves today. The analytics will start by Shanahan and get into the game. And now I'm taking the ball outfield. The piece of this situation, you got to watch out for it. By the way, it's the first scoreless first quarter in the Super Bowl. Since the big times they ran 5 years ago in Atlanta. Who did that get? You did. I'm taking a team now. We're coming to the break. There are 2 views. 3rd and 14, starting the second. 30 possession away from the 8. Beats it. And it's knocked away at the last moment.